Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to enable or disable mouse pointer precisions on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically allows you to change the mouse sensitivity on your computer depending on how fast you move your mouse in a certain situations. And then I'll show you how to enable or disable. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung category and then yung arrow na yan. So, kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And i-select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung mouse. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong mouse properties. So, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung pointer options. So, i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so makikita mo kaagad dito sa pinakauna ito yung motions. And then select a pointer speed. And then dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung enhance pointer precisions. Alright? So kung paano ba yan natin enable. So i-check mo lang tong box kung gusto mo itong naka-enable. And then kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so uncheck mo lang siya. So enable mo siya, so check mo yung box. Kung disabled, uncheck mo lang siya. Okay, so ganito. And then dito naman sa kanyang pointer speed, so pwede mong i-adjust tong kanyang speed mga kaibigan. So i-drag mo lang tong arrow na yan. Kung gusto mo ng slow, so i-move mo lang dito. And then kung gusto mo ng fast, and then i-move to the right. Kung gusto mo ng slow, i-move mo lang to the left mga kaibigan. Tong pointer speed mga kaibigan. Alright, so after dito, and then i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next step, so close mo lang yan, and dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable or disable enhance mouse pointer precision in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.